welcome back to this week's episode of our budget builds. It's finally that time. We finally got our fuel injection in the mail. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing video for it. So let's go over here and check it out. It's the part number 3005, the 600 horsepower throttle body fuel injection kit. We have the gaskets. There's a mount for the display. Comes with an aluminum display, touch screen, and you can use a clicker on it. It's also touch screen. An O2 sensor. Wiring harness for, I believe it's the fuel pump and fan and a few other things, power and all that. Band clamps. A way to weld. You can either weld this in or use the band clamps and put the O2 sensor on your exhaust, but I have bungs on the header, so I won't be using that. Coolant, temp sensor. We have some fittings, probably for the fuel, either to adapters and stuff like that. We'll get into that later. But when you buy it, this is what it's going to come with.